my girlfriend years ago. I loved her dearly, cause I didn't know that awful woman was lying and cheating on me. We broke up, I prayed I would never see her again, and I hope to forever erase that person out of my memory. So the years went by and I did forget, but evil lurks in the internet. I open Facebook, I can't believe what I see. She wants to be my Facebook friend. The girl got some nerves to be my Facebook friend. No, she doesn't deserve to be my Facebook friend, like nothing happened before. So I click on ignore.